start with you, Nooresh. What's your sense on the budget, how we should trade it, and is it going to be another day of big volatility?
So not expecting a big volatility given that it's vote on account. And if you look at it, generally going into an event, we see VIX adding up a few percentage points. So you go from 15 to 18, 20, 22. But this time around, if you look at it, we've not seen a spike into VIX. We've not seen options premium go up anywhere in the stock side also. So it indicates the market is not expecting a lot of volatility. So 1–1.5% is what the market expects up and down. Not expecting a 3–4% move as such. And we are going into the budget with a new all-time high on the mid-cap and the small-cap indices. We've not seen the same on the benchmark Nifty and Bank Nifty because banks have taken a hit. But overall, the bias has been positive on everything apart from the large-cap banking space.
Okay, so apart from large cap banking, the bias is positive, and it's the mid cap and the small cap space where the action has been. What about you, Kunal? You think it'll be the day when Bank Nifty will shine, or will it be the case of the broader markets?
Generally budget days and such kind of days are days when the markets generally go either light or they go strong in terms of positions. And interestingly, over the last many days, in fact, last 3 or 4 days particularly, we've seen a drop in the open interest for both the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, which means that traders are actually looking to sit out, from a pre-event basis. But post-event is where I would believe that the real trend could emerge for the indices. We are at the, we are at a very interesting cusp in terms of the index setup, because we are almost at the middle point of this 800–900 point range for the Nifty, and I think 21,700 has been a pivot for the index. So I think if we manage to say close on a positive note, then I believe that this could probably indicate a very strong trend in the making on the upside. So would probably be looking out for even the levels of new highs 20–100, 20–200 being made on the index, assumingly if we close on a positive note today.
Wow, that's a good, positive and optimistic note coming in that we might be seeing fresh life highs soon. But Nooresh, if I had to ask you for one top pick for the day, or let's say for the week and the month, and the kind of after effects that we see of the budget, what stock comes to mind?
So irrespective of the budget, an interesting trade is there is a block deal happening in Indus Towers, which should happen at a gap down. So that's a trade I would go with if it opens down on a 5–7–8% gap down. So that would be an interesting price point to get in. So that is one trade I would be watching out for today.
Okay, so watch out for Indus Towers.